Hey, what's up? I'm Dr. Josh, and when you're building your clinic gym hybrid, you're gonna notice a lot of your patients will ask you for workouts that they can do when they're not at your facility, which is great. You want them working out there. And the type of client you're gonna attract, a lot of them are traveling professionals, where they'll say, hey, we're going on vacation for a while, what can I do? Now, one of the great things, if they go to a hotel, they'll have a whole gym. And I'm at a hotel gym right now, and this it's pretty well appointed. It's got a lot of equipment, a lot of machines, and a very good selection of free weights and kettlebells, which we're happy to see. But not every gym is like this. So I think it'd be a great investment to spend half of a day one day, like on a Saturday, putting together 3 different workouts for people to do. Put out one workout for your clients that does not require any equipment whatsoever. So you can do squats, lunges, push-ups, all those things, planks that they can do in a hotel room or at their mother-in-law's house or wherever that requires absolutely no equipment. And then we're gonna build a second version that requires just minimal equipment, and think about, what do most hotels have? Most hotels will have treadmills, they'll have some free weights, and they'll have a bench. That's my experience. Oftentimes they have a pulley machine as well. So could you put together a workout that requires that, right? That it's just some light free weights, so very challenging exercises. That might be like goblet squats with single load over here, or it might be RFE, rear foot elevated split squats, are very challenging even with low weight. And then put together a great workout for that. I find that the sweet number is right at 40 to 45 minutes. Whenever people are traveling, they want a little bit shorter workout, and if they have extra time, get them on a treadmill or something like that to just get that long burn of cardio. I find that that's the best situation. Third workout, which is the most challenging, is either put together a workout kit that you send with your people when they're traveling. Maybe this is something they get when they sign up. We would include for our golfers a foam roller that's hollow. That way they can stuff it full of t-shirts and underwear, socks like that. The short ones that fit in a carry-on. We'd include a foam roller, a band that could attach to a doorway, and then a pad for their knee so they could do some kneeling exercise. With those 3 tools, we put together a workout customized to them that we felt was really good to prep golfers for their week. If you have something you're prepping people for, or you have a certain type of client like golfers, gymnasts, runners, put together workouts specifically and give them some equipment to do it with. If you do that right, the buy-in from them is so high because they realize that, hey, not only does my trainer and chiropractor understand what I'm going through, like they put together this kit for me, they gave me the kit, so there's some reciprocity, and I know exactly what to do because they provided me instruction. Remember, that expertise of the equipment and what to do with it is what they're buying from you. They're not buying space, they're not buying equipment, hot tubs, saunas, showers. We'll never win that game, so don't get into that fight. Instead, provide education and the equipment, and people will love you. If you really want to supercharge this, all 3 of those, build them as an online course in a software like Kajabi or Trust Driven Care, which we have, which allows you to build those online courses and give it to the person when they travel. They will be wildly impressed and thank you, and you'll continue to get that person to be a member year after year after year, and that's really where you make money in a clinic gym hybrid, is length of membership. Anyways, if you're interested in that or other tips for how to run this business model, then check out one of our live events. Just go to clinicgymhybrid.com. Thanks so much for checking out these videos. I hope they're useful. We'll cover things like rehab, exercise, business model, progressions, layout, everything else that helps you build a clinic. So if you're interested, you can click here, there, here, or anywhere to get more videos just like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you soon.